But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you. Here at MRA, we believe in the power of knowledge, strategy, and community. We're not just building businesses, we're building a network of like-minded individuals on the path to success.
Ever pondered how to turn Facebook into your personal ATM? It may sound like a far-fetched dream, but in reality, it isn't. The digital era has opened up a plethora of opportunities to make money online, and Facebook is no exception. You see, Facebook is not just a social media platform. It's a vast marketplace teeming with millions of potential customers and ripe opportunities. Today, in this digital age, your business or personal profile can become your source of income if you know how to manage and monetize it effectively. With over 2.8 billion monthly active users, Facebook provides a vast global platform to entrepreneurs, freelancers, and businesses. It's all about understanding the tools, the techniques, and the trends. With the right strategy, a little patience, and a dash of creativity, you can use this platform to your advantage, leveraging its reach and features to create a substantial and steady stream of income. It might seem complicated at first, but don't worry. We're here to guide you through the process, to break down the barriers that may seem insurmountable. We're going to talk about the right content to post, the best time to post, how to build the right audience, and how to monetize your page effectively. We're going to delve into the strategies which have worked for top earners and how you can replicate their success. So buckle up, because this journey is going to be incredibly rewarding. Today, we're going to do just that as we unravel the mystery of generating passive income on this social media giant. First off, we need to acknowledge the power of Facebook. This social media giant, launched in 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg, has grown into an all-encompassing platform that thrives on connectivity and communication. It has become more than just a place where college students connect. It has evolved into a global phenomenon. Today, it stands as one of the largest online platforms with an astonishing count of over 2 billion users. This colossal number represents a broad spectrum of individuals from different walks of life. Facebook, with its vast user base, has grown into a critical hub for businesses, marketers, and influencers alike. It presents a plethora of opportunities to earn revenue, from advertising and sponsorship to e-commerce and crowdfunding. It's a marketplace, a billboard, a stage. Yet, it's not just about the immense numbers. It's also about the dynamics of engagement, the algorithms, the targeting. To succeed, one must unravel the intricacies of this platform. It's not just about posting content. It's about creating compelling narratives that engage, influence, and convince. It's about understanding the nuances of this platform, from its algorithms to its demographics. It's about learning, adapting, and innovating. But above all, it's about tapping into the pulse of the audiences, keeping a finger on the rhythm of trends and conversations. Yet the key lies in understanding how to tap into this potential. Step 1 involves building a community. This involves the process of creating a virtual space where individuals with common interests can gather and interact. The main objective is to cultivate a group of people who share your enthusiasm and love for a specific subject. This subject can range from a wide variety of passions, including but not limited to activities like cooking, a gourmet's delight to savor different cuisines, or photography, capturing beautiful moments in a frame, or fitness, a journey towards a healthy lifestyle. The subject could even be something as broad as life philosophy, or as niche as origami art. The key is to communicate your passion effectively and consistently. The goal is to inspire your audience, to create a connection, to foster a sense of belonging, which in turn will attract like-minded individuals who resonate with your passion. This community, built on shared interests and mutual respect, will form the foundation of your income generation. Step 2 is to engage with your community regularly. A thriving community needs regular and meaningful interactions. Think about it as a garden that requires consistent nurturing and care. Similarly, your online community needs your attention and involvement. It's essential to post interesting and engaging content consistently. An irregular posting schedule can make your followers feel disconnected and uninterested. Your posts should inspire, educate, entertain, or provoke thought among your followers. They should be a reflection of your brand's personality and values. This helps create a sense of unity and fellowship, making your community a space that followers are proud to belong to. Furthermore, responding to comments is another critical aspect of community engagement. It offers you the chance to directly communicate with your followers, hear their perspectives, understand their needs, and make them feel valued. A quick response creates a positive impression and demonstrates your commitment to your community. Moreover, maintaining an active presence is not just about posting content and responding to comments, it's about creating a vibrant, dynamic space that's constantly evolving. This could mean hosting live events, sharing user-generated content, or engaging in discussions around current issues or trends. Ultimately, all these efforts are aimed at fostering a strong sense of belonging among your followers. Creating an environment where your followers feel seen, heard, and valued will not only help you build stronger connections, but also result in a more loyal and engaged community. This interaction fosters a sense of belonging among your followers and keeps them coming back for more. Step 3, and perhaps the most exciting, is monetizing your Facebook presence. This step is undoubtedly thrilling as it offers several creative and innovative ways to generate revenue. Firstly, it could be by partnering with well-established brands in order to create sponsored content. This process involves thoughtfully curating a content that aligns with the brand's image and which also resonates with your audience. It's a fantastic way to earn revenue while maintaining your authenticity and credibility. Next, another fruitful method is by selling products or services directly to your followers. This is especially viable if you're a business owner, or if you have a product or skill to offer. By leveraging your follower base, you can directly market and sell your products or services, providing a unique solution or value to your audience. Finally, an alternative route is taking advantage of Facebook's ad system. This allows you to create targeted advertisements that reach a wider audience beyond your follower base, thus leading to potential increase in revenue. Nevertheless, it is key to keep in mind that each of these methods requires planning and strategic decision-making to ensure optimal results. You need to understand your audience, the market trends, and the effectiveness of your content to make the most out of these monetization strategies. You can also make money by leveraging Facebook's ad system. Finally, step 4 is about consistency. In the world of content creation, consistency is king. It's not simply about producing content occasionally, it's about regularity and persistence in output. The key is in constant engagement with your audience. Communication is key, whether it's through comments, likes, or shares. Always be there for your community. Participate in discussions, respond to their queries, and genuinely show that you value their interaction. Additionally, it's crucial to perpetually seek fresh methods of revenue generation. Monetization isn't a one-time event. It's a continuous process of discovering and tapping into new income streams. Experiment with various avenues and diversify your income sources. Passive income isn't just about making money quickly. It's about building sustainable revenue streams that continue to pay off over time. Now, let's summarize the steps we've discussed today. First and foremost, the initial step is to construct a supportive community around your passion. This could be anything, a hobby, a career, or even a life goal. It's vital to create a space where like-minded individuals can connect and engage with one another. Secondly, it's crucial to engage with your community regularly. This frequent interaction develops and creates a strong bond amongst the community members. Regular engagement can be done through polls, live chats, online events, or Q&A sessions. Thirdly, monetization comes into the picture. This step involves transforming your Facebook presence into a revenue stream. This can be achieved through various means, such as sponsored content, selling products or services, or even through Facebook ads. It's important to note that the method of monetization should align with your passion and the needs of your community. Lastly, despite any challenges or setbacks, it's imperative to stay consistent in your efforts. Consistency is key in maintaining the engagement of your community. Regular contributions and maintaining the quality of content is what will keep your community thriving. And fourth, stay consistent in your efforts. Remember, generating passive income on Facebook is a journey, not a destination. It demands dedication, determination, and a readiness to learn and adapt. With steps shared, you're better prepared to turn your Facebook use into an income stream. In conclusion, be aware that tutorial isn't sponsored. Our aim is to impart knowledge to support you on your quest for financial freedom. If you found this tutorial enlightening, show your appreciation by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more of such informative content. Always remember, we're here to aid you in unleashing your passive income potential. Thank you for spending your time with us, and we wish you great luck on your financial journey. Until our next encounter.
This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. We would like to hear your comments, ideas, and any questions you might have. Until next time, this is MRA, your Passive Income Playbook, signing off.